Welcome to the Masterclass. Today, we are mastering Google AI Studio managed agents and the mechanics of modern autonomous workflows. I am Coach BK Han. We're starting with a simple reality. The standard one question, one answer model was designed for conversation, not execution. Google recently updated AI Studio to include a dedicated agentic environment within the playground. This moves the interaction away from a simple chat bar and into a system built for autonomy. Once given an instruction, this system manages the entire chain of events. It reasons through the problem, writes the necessary code, executes that code, and browses the live web without manual intervention. Moving from a manual chat interface to an autonomous worker eliminates the need for a human to prompt every individual subtask. This independence allows for the handling of complex, high-volume tasks that standard chatbots struggle to complete. The engine driving this framework is Gemini 3.6 Flash. Google set 3.6 Flash as the default because it balances deep reasoning with coding capacity and tool execution. These are the specific requirements for running a multi-step task to completion. The agent's behavior is controlled by a hidden .agents folder. Inside, the agents.md file establishes identity, loading into context to define the persona. Next to it, skill.md files act as swappable modules containing precise procedures for specific capabilities. Separating identity from workflow allows a developer to maintain one consistent assistant that can swap between infinite specialized tasks without conflicting instructions. To execute those skills, the agent relies on an ephemeral Linux sandbox, a secure, temporary virtual machine that acts as its workspace. Within this sandbox, you can toggle 4 built-in tools: Google Search for live web grounding, URL context to scrape specific pages, code execution to run Python or Bash scripts, and file system tools to manage data. Granting an AI this level of autonomy introduces new risks. Without oversight, a multi-turn loop could lead to runaway token prosts or unapproved code execution. Developers manage this using environment hooks. A before hook acts as a security gate, intercepting and denying restricted actions to pass a rejection reason back. Conversely, an after hook catches approved outputs, automatically formatting, validating, or logging the exact steps. If a task runs for too long, token caps act as a failsafe. Setting a maximum token limit ensures that execution pauses safely if the cap is reached, preserving the environment so you can resume manually. These hooks and caps are what move AI from an unpredictable experiment to a managed, production-ready system. Once an environment is configured, you can attach a scheduled trigger to automate the system on a recurring cron schedule. Because the sandbox environment persists across these scheduled runs, the agent builds upon its own previous work. It reuses files and data from the day before, allowing it to complete long-term projects without human intervention. The value of AI has expanded from simple, immediate answer generation to the orchestration of persistent, scheduled workflows that run in the background. To learn how to build and deploy these systems yourself, join the AI Hustle Generation and subscribe to this YouTube channel. We cover the setup of these environments inside the AI Hustle Generation school community. Scan the QR code here to access the community. Autonomous AI is the new baseline. To remain competitive, you have to master the environment it runs in. Connect with me, Coach BK Han, to start scaling your personal and professional AI workflows today.